if this is Pari and this is Whisper, then what do we actually do when we talk about periods? Let's get to know from the girls what is and how their life has been about periods. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when I say the word period?
Pain. Period. Like everything stops. Fun, happiness, anything that good can happen, everything stops.
A few tough days, that's considered a national taboo.
Cramps. Pain. Blood. It's a natural process.
टैबू मैं किसी के इस बारे में कुछ कह नहीं सकती एंड जस्ट नॉट डू एनी वर्क या फिर मैं किचन में नहीं जा सकती मैं मंदिर में नहीं जा सकती.
When did you have your first period? Like, how was your experience?
I don't remember my first period, sorry. I was frightened.
Normal. I'm like, it's like okay for me. Of course, it's a big deal when it's your first period. You know, people make it a big deal. You know, they tell you that you become a woman, but ironically, you don't become a woman. They just make you feel like, okay, now you're confined to do things.
It's not like a special thing, right? It's a very natural thing, right?
Yeah, so when was the first time you had your first fever?
Yeah, well, that's a valid point now.
I don't actually remember. It's such a natural thing. Do you remember the first time you shaved and how did it go? I don't remember actually.
Oh shit, why me? First time that I had period, I thought I had period, I did not. And then I had periods after like 3-4 years. I start crying.
You did? Like, you were alone and you started crying?
Yeah, I'm alone and I just started crying because I don't know about it.
I can't even talk to my own friends about it freely just because of the way society thinks about it.
What's the worst thing about period? Cramps or the mood swings?
Cramps.
Cramps because mood swings can still be handled, like it goes around the whole month, but cramps, they are intolerable.
Touchwood, I don't get any of these, but yeah, the worst thing is like, even if you're a little uncomfortable, people don't try to understand that, they just...
Mood swings are worst or the cramps are the worst?
No, I believe the mood swings.
Yeah, mood swings are because I am bipolar. People teach us that now we are restricted for few things like social myths and all.
I'll tell you who understands the most, the TV advertisements. So what these people say is that, okay, so if you get a stay free or if you get their product, so what you can do is you can like jump around and roam around the world and you can like dance. Is it true?
That's all bullshit, Jatin.
I tried flying, but then they did not give me enough wings. I had to go buy Red Bull.
I feel better sitting in my bed and spending my day rather than jumping around and doing all that stuff.
So it's not like that if you get a stay free and then you are able to like chalo chalange marte and stuff.
No, it's more like a whisper. So we just whisper, I have periods to that.
And what about these advertisements यार जो टीवी पे आती है कि मतलब stay free ले लो और तुम उड़ोगी और मतलब पर लगा लो and white कपड़े पहनो. Is it true?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, सिर्फ पागल बनाते हैं. जब बात आती है ना असली में कोई जंप्स नहीं मार सकता उस टाइम पे, सब झूठ होता है.
But I would say the worst thing that happens is a PMS. You know what a PMS is?
I have no idea what a PMS is.
It means premenstrual stress, if that's what it means. That happens, it's more like mood swings. You want to fuck someone else.
Like, have you had like a very embarrassing stain experience?
Yes, I have. And I'm not going to tell you guys about it.
What would be your message to the people, to the girls essentially, who feel like, okay, yaar, chup ke karna chahiye, like we should buy like, Stay Free or Whisper or all these things, in a black bag from the chemist. What do you want to say to the girls? I mean, I think it's totally okay to talk about it. So what do you want to say to them?
I guess it's natural and you all have to accept it, deal with it and embrace it.
I just want to say कि आज मैं भी पहली बारी on camera I'm saying all this and it's perfectly okay. It's nothing like that.
Well, to particularly the girls, I would like to tell them to accept it. They have to live with it for 30 odd years in their life. If you can grow out your hair, you can cut them short, you can get piercings in your ears. You need to accept the simple fact that yes, your body bleeds and it is completely fine.
Yes, it's absolutely normal. You should not be ashamed of it in any way. Girls, to all the girls out there, do not be ashamed. I carry a Whisper on my hand and I'm like all cool about it.
She shows it to the world like, hey, I got a Whisper.
Yeah, I mean, I have periods. Why should I be ashamed of it? It's not like I'm doing something wrong.
In my perspective, I personally don't like the black polythene scene and all. So I think it's more sophisticated if you wrap it in a newspaper and then take it back home.
But my question is, why hide it in a newspaper even? यार मतलब scene क्या है?
हाँ, That's
the
also
first
a
thing comes from your own self. You know, you should change first, like from your own self. You should just carry it. Like if you're okay with it, you can just carry it. You don't need a black bag. Especially, I have seen it. Like especially women or ladies or girls, they ask for it. So stop asking for it. It's naturally. You're confident about yourself. That's it.
But the thing is, you cannot carry a thing in your hand. Like even parents buy diapers, they don't carry it in your hand. So you need a polythene. It's just
like don't show off, but just also don't give a super fuck about it and oh my god, what are we gonna do, right?
It's just freaking
Awesome.
the same.
I would just say people should stop wrapping it around the newspapers because newspapers are even dirtier than the periods.
So there are these days in the month when you feel like you're going fat, but actually after 2 and 3 days, you will be surprised and you'll be like, oh my god, girl, you're on your periods.
So I'm going to reveal this really bad thing about periods. So the truth is that when you feel like you're almost done with your periods and then it's like almost 4-5 days-ish, what happens next is you get rid of your sanitary pad, and the worst thing that happens is what you find is stains. So girls, don't get, I don't know, like dhokha nahi khana. Put the pad on for 7 days. Stick to the rules. Stick to the rules.
So this is what we tell you about periods. It's okay to talk about them, and
Be
it's
comfortable
okay.
with it.
Yeah, and you know where to go if you want to find amazing stuff. Go to
Good Tea Reviews. Subscribe.
That's what it says.